In this video, I am going to show you how you can place or display your design in the billboard mockup or a box packaging mockup very easily using the vanishing point filter in Photoshop. Let's open a billboard mockup. Create a new blank layer. Then selecting the blank layer, click on the vanishing point filter, which you will find obviously under the filter tab. It opens the whole image document in this vanishing point workspace, but the perspective plane will only be applied to the prior selected blank layer. Now, take this Create Plane tool and draw a perspective plane around the billboard display area. Then click OK to close the vanishing point workspace. It's going to save the perspective plane in the background. Now you have to open the image you want to display on the billboard. And then select All and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then go back to the mockup document and open the vanishing point filter again. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied image. If the image size is too large, then select this transform tool to resize the image. Then slowly drag the image onto the billboard area. You will notice it will take up the perspective plane of the billboard. Drag the bounding lines to resize to the billboard area. In our next example, we are going to deal with a little complex scenario. Let's work with a box packaging mockup where there are 3 perspective planes, each at different angles. As usual, the first thing we are going to create is a blank layer, and keeping this layer selected, we will open the vanishing point workspace. With the Create Plane tool, draw the perspective plane on this face of the box. Click OK to confirm. Open the logos you want to place over the box. Copy them one by one and paste them inside the vanishing point workspace. Resize them and drag them over your created perspective plane. Now click OK. To give the logos a bit more realistically printed feel, change the blend mode of the layer. Again, create a new empty layer and select the vanishing point filter. Take the Create Plane tool and draw over this lower strip of the other box. Now, if you want to extend the perspective plane to the adjacent strip, hold down Ctrl and then drag the bounding box to the left. Let go of the Ctrl key and drag the corner points to match the face of the box. Click OK. Let's open a pattern and copy and paste it into the vanishing point filter. Resize it and drag it over the perspective plane. Click OK to confirm. Change the blending mode to make it believable. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more Photoshop tutorials, click on my Photoshop playlist, and I will see you in my next video.